Greetings and salivations, everyone. I'm Krista, this is Fisher, and welcome to RAD. Today we have a couple of GROGU silicone ice pop makers to review for you, so stay tuned.
RAD.
Hi, everybody! Well, hello, everyone. Welcome. We hope everyone's doing totally rad today. I knew that these silicone ice pop makers existed. I found some Mickey and Minnie ones on one of my Ross merch searches, but I knew the GROGU ones existed, and I haven't been able to find them out here. I believe they were sold at like Walmart last year, but one of our Radsters was able to find them where she lives, and she sent them to me so we could review them for you guys. So we've got two different ones. We've got cute little GROGU in the pram, and we've got cute little GROGU shape just kind of standing very, very, very cute. So we're going to take them into the kitchen, we're going to fill them up and let them set overnight, and then we will open them up and review how well they make some ice pops. So yeah, let's do it. Let's head to the kitchen. So here we are in the kitchen. We've got the two silicone ice pop makers. We're going to get those out of the package. And once you have them out of the package, make sure that you wash them before using them, but they're a very soft silicone squishy material. Really squishy. And super cute. Look at that face. And he's cute in the pram too. He's side-eyeing. But take them apart off the base. You're going to lay them with the silicone side facing down. And then grab your juice of choice. And with the juice, you're just going to fill up the little silicone molds. So once you have the molds, you're going to grab the backs, that's the hard plastic piece, and very carefully snap it onto the mold. Very carefully. And then we got the GROGU one. Oop. Then we got the GROGU one. Snap that one on. Make sure it's connected all the way around. And I think we're connected there. If I press on it, just a little bit of pressure to get them to connect, then they should be totally connected. Or not. Oh, we have a mess. Houston, we have a mess. So yeah, the hard plastic lid on this one does not want to connect and stay on. It's giving me a little bit of a problem, so let's put a little bit more juice in this one. Put the lid back on. This one doesn't want to connect, guys. It connects in the back, but when it comes to the top there, yeah, the lid just wants to come right off. And as you can see, I got a big juicy mess here. So yeah, that area right there just does not want to connect. Will not hook on. The other one's fine, but that one just will not connect. So I'm going to have to find a way to carefully get these into the freezer. Yeah, I'm so determined to get that to work. But yeah, see, that one's fine. But we're going to get these into the freezer, and hopefully that will stay and not leak all over. And we will see how these come out after they're frozen. So here they are out of the freezer. As you can see, they leaked. They leaked big time. But they're hard. And when you take off the lid, yeah, see, this one did not even do half as well as it should have. This one doesn't look too bad. but the lid on this one never quite closed and connected. But since they're silicone, they should be really easy to pop out. You can kind of see the indent on him. If I turn it that way, you can see GROGU a lot better. And they do pop out really super easy. This one did a lot better than I thought it was going to do. I was thinking after I did it, I should have put like a freezer-proof glass dish with wax paper and then laid them in there that way with the molds and the lids. And then, yeah, definitely that one wouldn't have turned out as wonky as it did. But not bad. A lot better than I expected them to come out. I thought they were going to be really, really, totally wretched, but pretty cute. My idea for the next ones, if I try them, is going to be lemonade with a little bit of food coloring, probably blue food coloring inside. So they make little green GROGUs. And I also have a couple of other ideas for the molds. But molds, again, are silicone. Very floppy. They're very thin, too. But if you want to get these molds, the person who got them for me got them from a store called the Christmas Tree Shop. I've seen the Mickey and Minnie ones at TJ Maxx, or was it Marshall's? One or the other had them, so you can check there. I've also seen them on eBay and Mercari. On there, they're about $9 starting and go up from there, so it just depends. There's also a Mandalorian helmet one. So, super cute. Great idea for the summer. Rating them on our scale of totally bad to totally rad, I think I'd call them just a rad just because of the difficulty in getting them to actually work correctly. But still cute. Can't really see his face didn't come out real super well. It's there, but not great. Maybe with a darker colored pop, you might be able to see that stuff better. But anyway, guys, do you have the molds? Have you made different stuff in them? Because they're silicone, I wonder if they're bakeable. I'll have to double check on that and see, because if they are, you could make some really cute cake pops with these. But I don't think the sticks or the backing could go into the oven, just the silicone mold. But I don't know. Have any ideas for this? Let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more awesome and totally rad things in the future, please subscribe to our channel and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss seeing us. And I guess there's only one thing left to say, right, little dudes?
We'll see you later.
You guys ever gotta run in the kitchen for a minute and grab something? Fisher, make sure Chip doesn't touch those.
You got it, Mandalorian. Chip, no. Mandalorian said no. Chip, no.
Chip, what are you doing?